Welcome to American Dream TV, the perfect blend of culture, lifestyle, and real estate. I'm your host, Joanna Petriccioni. Today, we're traveling in time, exploring these beautiful vintage automobiles here at Classic Cars of Sarasota in Florida. Join me as we explore the beauty, the passion, and the history behind these timeless treasures. This 1957 pale yellow Belair, this classic beauty with its beautiful sleek lines and soft pastel hue represents the epitome of mid-century style. The Belair is a true automotive icon, capturing the hearts of enthusiasts and collectors alike. This distinguished 1962 Black Imperial, this commanding vehicle exudes timeless style with its black exterior, distinctive chrome accents and bumper. The charm of this collectible car commands a sense of prestige, power, and attention wherever it goes. Joining us today of this incredible showroom and owner is Michael Burke. Thank you for having us, Michael.
Joanna, thank you for being here, and we welcome American Dream TV to Classic Cars of Sarasota.
Tell us about this remarkable showroom.
Well, we have about 48,000 square foot indoor warehouse that we can house up to 125 cars. They're all dealer owned and or consignments for sale and for the general public to view as well.
What kind of events can we expect in the future here at Classic Cars of Sarasota?
Well, we're going to be doing monthly car shows, and we're also expanding our service offerings and restorations and service options that we do have in the coming future.
That's great. Michael, thank you so much for giving us a glimpse of this incredible world.
Oh, our pleasure. Thank you for coming, Joanna. Appreciate it.
From the classics to an exotic. I'm here with one of my investors, Guy Michael, from Limestone Private Equity Group, showing him this beautiful property today. Greyhawk Landing is an amazing community located in East Manatee County, Florida. From spectacular clubhouses with multiple pools, tennis and pickleball courts, and endless walking trails, the community preserved its natural beauty with green space, where you'll often spot exotic birds, cranes, turtles in the multiple lakes, and deer are frequently grazing its fields. This home features multiple seating areas. What do you think about that, Guy?
Really is perfect for entertaining.
Let's take a look at the master bedroom.
Okay.
The master suite is a true sanctuary of relaxation, with plush carpeting and 2 walk-in closets with built-ins that lead to the ensuite bathroom. And guide, the crown jewel of the spectacular home is this beautiful lanai space. Indoor-outdoor living is what Florida is all about. Thank you again for joining us today at American Dream TV. I've been your host, Joanna Petriccioni, bringing you the best of what Southwest Florida has to offer.